Our first loon.
First loon. Loon, 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 loon. Glug, glug, glug.
Glug, glug, glug.
Weather's coming in. Wow.
Some weather.
Some weather. Net time.
It's having net time.
Having just a little net time.
Just hanging out in our net.
Just being net gang.
Right in front
Hey!
of us.
We didn't say you could come here.
That's a nice snake, though. A little loud.
Just a nice sunset.
I guess I Day 2.
Day 2.
Ooh-wee.
Oh yeah. Loon
It's
time.
a lot dorkier because I got really bit by mosquitoes on day 1.
Who didn't? Mosquito feast.
I guess I would like it.
So many birds.
I could like swim out there.
Give it a go. The back float is so funny.
It's still super shallow.
In the bear camp too.
Oh yeah, for sure. All right, that was sick. Yeah, it's still recording. Probably.
What's that supposed to do?
Ready?
We're done with portaging.
Ready?
No, we're not.
Oh yeah,
so
wait, we have
not.
one more. Oh yeah.
Damn it.
Sorry.
We're done.
We're done.
Did it.
Did it.